Global demand for energy is increasing, and the challenge is to meet this demand while reducing our carbon footprint. Part of Shell's solution involves carbon capture and storage, and that's why we built Quest at our Scotford upgrader. The upgrader turns thick, heavy oil from the oil sands, called bitumen, into synthetic crude that can then be refined into everyday products like gasoline and jet fuel. Shell uses hydrogen to upgrade the bitumen to a lighter oil, but making hydrogen creates carbon dioxide, or CO2. Quest captures the CO2 from the upgrader's hydrogen manufacturing plants with a product called amine that absorbs the CO2. The CO2 is then separated from the amine and pressurized to turn the CO2 gas into a liquid that can be transported by pipeline 65 kilometers north to 3 well sites. At the wells, the liquid CO2 is injected more than 2 kilometers underground into a layer of rock filled with interconnected pores. The CO2 becomes trapped within the pores and locked in under many layers of solid, watertight rock. Constant monitoring both above and below ground makes sure the CO2 stays safely and permanently in place. Quest is on track to capture and store over 1 million tons of CO2 every year. That's equivalent to the emissions from about 250,000 cars. We know that up here, carbon dioxide is a big problem, but we believe deep down there lies an important part of the solution.